Welcome to Tutopia. So, today my session is going to be a brief introduction on the functions of a kidney. So, as we know, kidney is the specialized organs that humans and other mammals have for the process of excretion. So, what is excretion? Excretion is the removal of waste products from the body which was produced due to the process of metabolism. So metabolism is when a new product is produced in our body or when a complex organic substance is broken down in our body. So one example of metabolism would be digestion, absorption of the nutrients, and also using the same nutrients to do cellular respiration. So all of these processes come under metabolism, and with metabolism we produce new toxic substances that our blood cannot tolerate, or if these toxic substances get collected in our blood, it could even lead to fatalities. So therefore we have two bean-shaped organ which is present in our lower back of the human anatomy, and these organs help us to filter our blood. So the main function of the kidney is to filter the blood from excess water, excess toxins, and also excess salt. So when we talk about kidneys, this organ is made up of even further amazing microscopic structures, which are the tissues of these kidneys. The functional tissue of these kidneys are known as nephrons, and these nephrons have a structure of this. So if you look at this entire thing which is shown over here is how the tissue of a kidney is organized, and the tissue of this kidney is known as a nephron, and it is also completely surrounded by blood vessels, also known as capillaries. So if you look here, it is extensively surrounded by blood capillaries such that toxic substances move into the kidneys, and certain other substances which is needed by the body can be reabsorbed back into the kidneys. So for continuous movement of molecules and ions from the blood to the kidney and from the kidney to the blood, we need to constantly have a supply of blood surrounding the nephron. So when we look at how this urine is formed, kidney has three main. The nephron's function is divided into three main subparts. The first subpart is the ultrafiltration process. So the first function of the nephron in the urine formation is ultrafiltration. The second process is reabsorption, and the third one is secretion. So other than ions and other substances and molecules getting reabsorbed back into the blood, there are also certain substances from the blood which will get secreted back into the kidneys. So this continuous movement of molecules and substances to finally form the urine. This process is efficiently done by the nephrons which we have in our kidneys. Each of our kidney at least have around 1 million nephrons in them. So one kidney has around a million. So two kidneys will have around 2 million nephrons making them. So if you look at the structure of the nephron, it is these vessels which carry the blood from the heart to the nephron and carry the blood away from the nephron after filtering out the blood. So before we go further into the details of the structure of nephron, it is better for us to have an idea that the basic function of the kidney is to filter out the blood and to remove the toxins and balance the homeostasis, which is the internal environment of the body, and that is achieved with the structure nephron, which is present inside the kidneys. Thank you so much for listening to the tutorial.